Okay, everybody, just got my potatoes in the oven and I'm ready to flag. And my bug spray's on. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. Flip my paper back over. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to start us back a little bit to the counts that we learned, just so that you can easily pick it up from where we just left off with the low V switching and then doing all of the transitions. My hand's in the wrong spot. Okay, so that's where I'm going to start. All right, so after we do that, to remind you, you're moving in the direction of travel for 16 counts, low V. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Don't stop counting. 1, 2, and there's no like stop whenever we're doing this. You just keep going. So if you need to count 28, that's fine. But on the last 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we turn because we've been facing our direction of travel this whole time. So we're turning to face the front. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and then we do our mark spin, which you learned. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we decided to go, we changed it from my notes, so it's 8, 1, and then you're doing your laver toss, okay? So I'm going to do this simple, dropping my flag toss. I'm back, okay. So you end up in a low V after you do your tossing. All right, so then what you are doing is you are going to hold your flag. This is super important. You're going to hold your flag like this. Like this. So you notice that it is 90 degrees, it's parallel to the ground. It's important that you're holding your flag like this when you're holding it for the next move, okay? And depending on where you are moving, this is gonna be set 47, and we are moving 8 counts. And you are either moving lateral, if you're going sideways, or you're moving backwards. So there's no direction of travel marching for this, okay? So we are at hip level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're gonna do what's called a wave, and that's gonna be in 4 counts. So you're gonna take just your right arm, and you're going to go 1, see how my arm is straight, 2, I'm just making a big old circle, 3, 4, okay? I'm gonna turn around so you can see it from the back. Okay, so it goes, whoop. So your hip level, and it goes 1, my arm straight, around 2, it's a complete circle, over 3, 4 to the left side, okay? Rewind that and replay it as much as you need to do that. So we're doing 1, because my hand was in the wrong spot. Hand's got to be over. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we are going to be turning over 5, 6. And when we turn 5, 6, our flag's going to go 5, 6. So let me back up so you can see. Again, over 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we are going to be 5, 6 on. Hello, I'm so close to you right now. Just trying to adjust. All right. So you're turning and facing the back. On 7, 8, so you're here 5, 6. On 7, you're going to put your flag into the ground, like not slam it, but just like gently place it there. And on 8, you're going to lean into your flag, not onto your flag. You are still in control of your body, so you're not putting your body weight on the flag. Your body's lunging, and it looks like you're leaning into your flag, okay? So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. And I know you can't see, but your right foot needs to be popped, okay? So that ankle needs to be popped up, all right? So just to recap, we were here at a 90-degree parallel to the ground. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And the reason we're not leaning on our flag is because our flag's going to keep going and we'll fall on the ground, and that will be bad. All right, so we leaned 8. We're going to pop up. 1, 2. I'm going to break more pots. We're going to pop up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So don't extend it all the way with this hand. Cross over. And then you're going to come around 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is 24 counts altogether, and that is set 48. Okay? So we've set 45, 16 count low V, set 46, 12 count low V, and we're turning 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we have our mark spin, okay, which is also part of count 46, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember your hands over. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then around the bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So that is sets 45 to 48. And I'm going to do one more with you. And that's where I'm going to... Oh no, this is set 48 continued. So you can get your 24 counts. How are we going to turn back around? We're in the back. I don't know. How are we going to turn back around? Thank you for asking. So we're going to start with a back scratcher, but we're going to turn while we're unwrapping and tossing. It will be majestic. So it is going to be an 8 count move. So you are in the back. You just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to go 1, 2. On 3, you're going to be turned to the side. 4 is when you're going to unwrap your toss. 5, 6, catch 7, 8. Now, I'm not as good as you are at doing this, so don't laugh too hard when you see this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? That's right. I don't care. You all can get your cameras out and take pictures of that. Okay, that's through set 48. 49 is an add-on. So if you are number 6, 8, 4, 16, 17, 18, 14, and 1, you are moving 16 counts in a low V to the right. So if you are one of those numbers, now's the time where you hit stop and then you go back and keep practicing the stuff that I just taught you. If you're everybody else, you are going to do these add-on cones because you don't move during this time, but we need to have some type of visual. So I'm going to give you your starting counts. So we are all in low V's, 7, 8. So the cones will start down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you start on a 1, 2, you start here. If you don't start till 3, 4, you're coming up 3, 4. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So Madison, you start 1, 2, and then you'll keep going for the entire 16 counts. Allison Melton, you start 3, 4, and then you keep going. So Allison, you'll start up here, and then you'll just keep going, okay? And then Emma, you start 5, 6, and then you keep going. So you start on the bottom, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then Bobby, you start 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, till the end of the 8 count. Tessa, you start, so you're going to be in a low V for the first 8 count, and then you start the second 8 count at 1, 2, 3, 4, and you keep going. Maya, you also hold the first 8 counts. You hold 1, 2, and then you're up 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Allison Mashoff, you hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, And then you are 5, 6, 7, 8. And Macy, you are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and that's where I'm going to stop you, where I'd really like for you to practice for Monday. Okay, let me know if you have questions. Let me know if you don't understand something. Yeah, that's all I have. Good luck. May the force be with you. And looking forward to Monday.